Hello everyone, today we are going to unbox a hAP ac3 MikroTik router. So let's check it out. First of all, this is fresh out of the box. We have two antennas here for the router. There's a instruction manual here. This is the router, the beauty hAP ac3. So this has 5 gigabit ports and has power cords of 24 volt and 1.5 milliampere voltage rating. So there's a warning here, do not power on without antenna connected. So we must connect the antennas before powering on the router. And let's check it out. What else do we have? We have some screws with us, the power cable with us, and the mounting kit. So basically what we can do is we can mount it here in the back or at the sideways, both ways. So if it can stay like this or it can just stay out flat, however you want. So let's just unbox. Let's open the let's just open this. This is just the mounting kit. Okay, let's open the port. So there's a rating here which is 24 volt 1500 milliamp. So this is 1.5 amp 24 volt power rated voltage adapter. The antennas are here, so let's just unbox antenna. Look at this, this is beautiful. Again, antennas. So just here, this is just, let's remove the cautions. Okay, so let's just put the antennas back. Down. So this is just the base. Okay, if we can find out the if we can press this stick here, or we can even install it like this. So both ways you can install the routers any way you want. So this has 256 megabyte of RAM and 128 megabyte of NAND storage. So I guess this is perfect for any kind of home usage, or you can use it to use it like caching DNS server, and if you can use it for a small file storage system as well. So this has high gain antennas, which means this can give you the perfect indoor. This is best suited for indoor environment. So this router can give you the best indoor performance there. And this is moderately new router, completely new routers, new model. So I hope it will have a good impact on the latest bandwidths we have, and it can support the whole office or small office or home environment perfectly. Thank you.